Now, I'd like to invite our Honorary Director of Distance Education of Bhakti Vedanta Institute, Kolkata, Professor Ram Gopal Upaluri, IIT Guwahati, to announce the short-term course on Science and Spirituality offered by Bhakti Vedanta Institute, Kolkata. Thank you so much.
Honorable and distinguished personalities on the dais and off the dais, students, professionals, faculty members, and other delegates of this ASSQ conference, sponsors, supporters, well-wishers of IIT Bhubaneswar and Bhaktivedanta Institute, a good morning to all of you. Quickly, I will be presenting a brief note of the short-term course on Science and Spirituality. Please refer to pages 69 to 71 in the souvenir to get further details of this short-term course. First of all, why this short-term course? We have been organizing this conference 11 times. And the feedback from the students is that the subject is very tough and the subject needs careful grooming or nurturing of several deep concepts that are highly philosophical, mystical. So therefore, considering all this, Bhaktivedanta Institute worked for about a decade and has brought out the short-term course on Science and Spirituality. This is equivalent to a certificate course, and this will be taught in all the centers of the Bhaktivedanta Institute. And since everyone will be busy in the weekdays, we plan to have contact sessions during weekends, typically on a Sunday, for 4 hours. And all the assignments have been designed as multiple choice questions. And the content of this course will be based on the writings of the founder Acharya of Bhaktivedanta Institute, that is Srila Prabhupada, and the founding director's writing, that is Dr. T.D. Singh. And our target is to address the practical issues of the students. Today's students want a job. Today's students want to manage their stress nicely. Today's students want to develop communication skills. And apart from this, they also want to know the reality. So that's why the course has been very nicely designed to address the foundations of science spirituality, followed by the applications. So the course content will be presented initially in the foundations of science, spirituality, their synthesis, followed by cosmology, evolution, consciousness, and theism. Later, the course takes up specific applications. For example, positive thinking, communication skills, career success and growth, holistic management, values and ethics, improvising, analytical, creative and research aptitude, stress management, knowledge of God, ultimate meaning and purpose of life. So the course, in a nutshell, will teach everything for any person to excel in any sphere of life due to the deeper study of reality and its contextual application in day-to-day life. Some of the salient features of the course are that it is conceptualized, designed and taught by many of us who are IIT faculty and alumnus as a noble service to the humanity. In this course, we are integrating the thoughts and views of the founding fathers, noble laureates, eminent statesmen in science, philosophy, spirituality and world peace. Not only that, I am very happy today to announce that for the past 1 year, we worked very hard and we have produced the video lectures on science and spirituality, and these video lectures are already being played outside this room. So all those who are interested to gain about the course, you can go through the video lectures in your leisure time. So the benefits of the course are to enhance systematic, deeper, broader and creative thinking, to have newer dimensions, to take up very good research in science or philosophy or any field of your work. And most importantly, we want the practical application of philosophy and spirituality in the profession. That is, we want students to manage their career nicely. We want students to be very smart managers. We want very good people who can take up crisis very effectively through the confluence of science and spirituality. Not only that, we want people to resolve the stiffest challenges in their personal life, if they have any, and we want to advocate about human values such as universal brotherhood to drive the social harmony. And finally, we want to encourage, in summary, the holistic living processes, living and habitat. So the course will demonstrate all these things. So the summary is that we will have a dedicated desk next to the registration desk of the conference, and all those who are interested to register, please fill up the relevant application forms. Please do understand that we have our centers in different cities, and the course is only offered in those centers. The video lectures will always be available, and we are doing everything that is required to increase the interaction between all of us to have a holistic understanding of the reality. And the hard copy of the notes, I have also brought a copy, so you can flip through that notes. And thank you very much.
Thank you so much.